Think you know your U.S. road signs? Test yourself with these 40 signs and find out. Ready? Let's go! Which traffic sign shows an upcoming school zone? Identify the road sign that instructs drivers to yield to other vehicles. Which traffic sign prohibits making U-turns at an intersection? Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to pedestrians crossing. Which traffic sign warns of a railroad crossing ahead? Identify the road sign that prohibits pedestrians from crossing the road. Which traffic sign alerts drivers to deer crossing the roadway? Identify the road sign that designates an upcoming roundabout. Which traffic sign prohibits making right turns at an intersection? Identify the road sign that warns drivers of a flagger ahead. Which traffic sign indicates a T intersection ahead? Identify the road sign that warns of a stop sign ahead. Which traffic sign warns that the road may be slippery when wet? Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to a narrow bridge ahead. Which traffic sign indicates that the divided highway ends? Identify the road sign that marks a snowmobile crossing area. Which traffic sign warns of an uneven surface ahead? Identify the road sign that warns of a steep downhill grade. Which traffic sign designates a shared path for bicycles and pedestrians? Identify the road sign that warns of a drawbridge ahead. Which traffic sign alerts drivers to a crossroad ahead? Identify the road sign that indicates a truck height limit. Which traffic sign warns of an uneven roadway surface? Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to a reverse curve to the left. Which traffic sign prohibits trucks from entering the area? Identify the road sign that instructs drivers to travel one way to the left. Which traffic sign designates a truck route ahead? Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to a right-hand turn. Identify the lane ends merge left road sign. Identify the road sign that alerts drivers to a reverse turn to the right. Which traffic sign warns drivers of a detour ahead? Identify the road sign that marks a motorcycle-related roadway advisory. Which traffic sign indicates an added left lane? Identify the road sign that prohibits all-terrain vehicles. Which traffic sign designates the location of a gasoline service station? Identify the traffic sign that prohibits littering in the area. Which traffic sign marks a tourist information service ahead? Identify the road sign that warns of a dip in the roadway. Which traffic sign designates a passenger-only ferry terminal? Identify the road sign that marks a 3-digit interstate route. Great job completing the video. If you want more DMV study materials, driving tips, and road sign videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Keep learning with the videos on your screen. See you in the next one.